All right, here we have a Math Olympiad question. And for this, let's just go ahead and start off by working out the roots underneath the big square root. So we're gonna, first just get the square root of 9, which is 3. The square root of 8 can be broken down into the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. And so then what we're also gonna then do is we're gonna make this 3 into a 2 plus 1. I'm going to show you why in just a minute. And this will be minus 2 times root 2 for that next part. And then what we're going to do is rearrange this in a fancy way. So we're going to arrange this as 2 minus 2 times root 2 times root 1, and we're going to put that 1 at the end over here, plus 1 over there. And just makes this a little crazier. We're going to make this this 2 here, we're going to make it into the square root of 2 squared. And we'll minus 2. And let me put this root 2 again over here. And this root 1 right here. And this 1, we're going to make it the square root of 1 squared. Now, the reason we're doing that is because we're going to use this equation, or it's not really equation, but if you remember this binomial expansion where we have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, that's equal to a minus b squared. And so then if we have the a, we have the a here, let's make it red, and the b's are what we got in blue. So then what we can then do is make, or you can see that a is equal to the square root of 2, and then b is equal to the square root of 1. So then you have a squared here minus 2a times b plus b squared. And so then you can rewrite this as the square root of, again, a minus b squared. Let me put that underneath the root sign. So a is the square root of 2, b is the square root of 1, and then the square root and that power of 2 cancel, and you have the square root of 2 minus the square root of 1, which is just 1. And that'll just be your answer. All right, so there you go. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have any other ways of solving this or any, clever, tricks that maybe you came up with yourself. And also let me know any other questions from the Olympiad math that you would like me to go over.